Hey guys, how you all doing? Now, a week or so ago we ran a competition where you had to guess my new car, and in return you could have won yourself a copy of our brand new product called the 6-week 6-pack Xtreme Plus pack. Now, first of all, a lot of you got it wrong, but these three guys was the first to get it right, and let's first announce the three winners, and then I'm going to show you a little clip of my new car. So the three winners were Scarly, Aviat and Matt, and this was the car that they guessed correctly. Okay, not that one, this one. Let's take this baby for a drive. Okay, let's see what this baby can do.